Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Mazda 6 Grand Touring with the turbocharged motor. Absolutely a fantastic car, one of my favorite I've ever driven, and I definitely think it's one of the best full-size sedans on the market today. I drove one of these way back when it first was released, and I was a huge fan of it, and I still am a fan to this day. This one is part of our pre-owned inventory with just over 33,000 miles. Tons of room back here. Nice soft leather, easy to get in and out. Titanium flash mica. Wow. Interior in this is a whole nother level. Nice soft touch materials all throughout, especially here where your knee's gonna be resting. Mazda added some nice padding to make it really comfortable. Trying to see if I can find. No, not there. Nope, no sticker. All right. Sometimes we'll have the original window sticker with the car. But yeah. Without further ado, let's go ahead and put it into normal drive at first. And once we get about halfway through, I'll put it into manual mode with these paddles. Can I just say, this has so much torque. I've driven two with the, well, this is my third. Two others with the turbo, and I cannot get enough of them. These are absolutely fantastic cars. Just such a nice car. Just the driving dynamics, everything about it is out of this world. just the overall refinement of everything in here too is awesome. This could easily be a $50,000 car, and I wouldn't bat an eye. So when I drove one of these last, it was back when I had my Focus ST. I think this is faster than the Focus ST. It has a lot more torque, 300 foot-pounds of torque from this turbocharged 2.5. It's impressive. In terms of amenities and features, this generation of Mazda 6 is still in production today. So by getting this used example, you're getting everything that a new one would have. Maybe a few odds and ends that have been improved here and there, but still pretty much the same exact platform. A lot of the torque is down low. There's really no point to shift past or let it rev out past 5,000 RPM. Almost all of the torque is held between 2,000 and 4,000 RPM with a little reserve above 4,000. But right around 5,000, you can start to feel it starts to die down a little bit with a red line at 6,000 RPM or so. And there's really no point to rev it beyond 5,000, 5,500. Take traction control off so it doesn't limit power, and here we go. Oh, man. Absolutely phenomenal. Even in these turns, it's great. It's a down low chassis like most sedans are. Cornering is great. Not a ton of body roll. And now we'll see what the suspension's like over these sets of bumps. Not bad at all. What I like about what Mazda does with their manual mode is it will not auto upshift for you. If you want to hit the rev limiter, it will let you for as long as you like. It really, manual mode's manual mode. Mazda builds cars for the driver, and this is a phenomenal example, and definitely a bargain in the used market. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.